students, we are doing chapter number 20, height and distance. Today we will start from question number 27. An aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meter observes the angle of depression of two boats on opposite side of a bank of a river to be 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the width of the river. So here in this question, it is not clear the boats are same side or opposite side of aeroplane. So we are taking first case when boats are same side of aeroplane. So in first case I have taken C and D are two boats which are same side. From this aeroplane A, the angle of depression for this is 45 degree and for this another boat is 60 degree. So whatever the angle of depression, same will be the angle of elevation. Now in this case I have two right angle triangle. So first I will take in triangle ABC. Tan 60 is equal to height by base AB by BC. Tan 60 value is √3. Height is given 250 meter and base is BC. So BC is equal to 250 by √3. Substitute the value of √3 and do the calculation. 250 by 1.732. After calculation you will get answer 144.34 meter. Now another triangle, in triangle ABD. Tan 45 is equal to height by base. Base is BD for this triangle. Tan 45 value is 1, AB is given to 50 and BD we have to calculate. So BD is equal to 250 meter. In this question we have to find out the width of river. Width of river means we have to find out here CD. So CD is equal to BD minus BC. 250 minus 144.34. To the subtraction you will get 105.6, nearby 105.6. Round off it because we have to find out answer in whole number. So answer will be 106 meter. This is the first case when both the river is this side, both the boats are this side, one side of aeroplane. Now we will take second case. In this case CD is river here, aeroplane is here in between. One boat is this side and another boat is opposite of this. So in this case also we have two right angle triangles. First we will take in triangle ABC. Tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. Value of tan 60 is √3 is equal to 250 by BC. So BC will be 250 by √3. Substitute √3 value and do the calculation. You will get it 144.34. Same like first part. Now another triangle, in triangle ABD. Tan 45 is equal to height by base. Tan 45 value is 1, AB is 250 and BD we have to calculate. So BD will be 250 meter. Now in this case width of river is CD. CD is equal to BC plus BD. 144.34 plus 250. So it will come 394.34. When we will round off, answer will be 394 meter. Question number 28. From a tower 126 meter high, the angle of depression of two rocks are in a horizontal line through the base of tower are 16 degree and 12 degree 20 minutes. Find the distance between two rocks when the rocks are same side, and second condition when they are opposite side of tower. So first case we have taken here AB is tower here. From this point A, the angle of depression for these two rocks are 12 degree, 20 minute and 16 degree. Same, whatever the angle of depression, same will be the angle of elevation from these points. This height is given 126 meter. We have to find out CD here. Distance between these two rocks. So two right angle triangles are there. First we will take first triangle. In triangle ABC, tan 16 degree is equal to height by base. Base is BC. Tan 16 value you have to check from the table, which is equal to 0.2867 is equal to 126 by BC. BC shift this side, so BC will be 126 by 0.2867. Remove decimal and do the calculation. You will get 439.5 meter. Calculate in one decimal. Now take another triangle. In triangle ABD, tan 12 degree, 20 minute is equal to height by base. Base is BD. Same, this value also you have to check from the table, which is equal to 0.2186, 126 by BD. So BD is equal to 126 by 0.2186. Do calculation. After that you will get 576.4 meter. We have to find out CD. So CD will be BD minus BC. 576.4 minus 439.5. After subtraction you will get 136.9 meter. Round it off, which you can write 137 meter. So this is according to the first case, when both the rocks are same side. Now second case, when the rocks are opposite side of tower. So one rock is here and another rock will be another side. So in this case, this calculation will be same. Only little change is there. The change, now we have to find out CD. For that CD we have to add BC plus BD. So in second case, CD is equal to BC plus BD. So with BC is 439.5 plus 576.4. So add these two, you will get 1015.9, which you can write 1016 meter. Question number 29. A man 1.8 meter high stand at a distance of 3.6 from a lamp post and cast a shadow of 5.4 meter on the ground. Find the height of the lamp post. So here you can see this AB is lamp post here, and this man CD is the height of man 1.8 meter, and he is standing 3.6 meter from this lamp post, and this is the shadow 5.4 meter. So F to A, if you join, it will be a straight line. If this angle you are taking theta, then this one also will be theta, and you can dot by dot join C to E, which will be parallel to BD. BD and CE will be parallel. CD and EB also will be parallel. So in this question you have two right angle triangle. One is this one, another one is this one. So first we will take in triangle CDF. Tan theta is equal to height by base. Height is CD and base is FD. So 1.8 by 5.4. Do the cancellation, you will get 1 by 3. Now another triangle we will take in triangle ACE. Tan theta is equal to AE by CE. Tan theta value we have calculated already, because this and this angle is same here. Both are corresponding angles. So now this is 1 by 3. AE value we don't know, and CE will be equal to BD 3.6. So AE will be 3.6 by 3 or 1.2 meter. Now we have to find out the height of lamp. Height of lamp means AB. So AB will be AE plus EB. AE is 1.8 and this is 1.2. So total will be 3 meter. Question number 30. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 8 meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree. Find the height of multi-story building and the distance between two buildings. So here AB and CD are two buildings. CD is a multi-storied building and this another 8 meter height building is there. From the top of this building, if you see the top angle of depression is 30 degree and for bottom it is 45 degree. Angle of depression and angle of elevation will be same, alternate angle. So this angle will be 30 degree, this will be 45 degree. Now we have to find out height of this multi-story building CD and the distance between these two buildings BD we have to find out. We have here two right angle triangles. First we will take in triangle BCD. Tan 45 is equal to height CD by base BD. So this height we can take as H and BD we can take as X. This we can take as X and height H. Tan 45 value is 1, so H by X is equal to 1, or we can write H is equal to X. Now from the second triangle, in triangle ACE, tan 30 is equal to CE by AE. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. CE we don't know. AE value will be same like BD. So we can write it as X. So we have X is equal to, even CE also we can write as H minus 8. X, because here to here it is 8. So same CD or ED also will be 8. So we can write it as H minus 8. X is equal to H minus 8 root 3. In place of X we can write H. H is equal to root 3 H minus 8 root 3. You can shift another side. We can write it as root 3 H minus H is equal to 8 root 3. H you can take common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 8 root 3. Substitute the root 3 value. 1.732 minus 1 equal to 8 into 1.732. So H into 0.732, 8 into 1.732. H will be 8 into 1.732 by 0.732. Multiply and divide, do the calculation. H you will get 18.93. H is equal to 18.93 meter. After that you have to find out the value of X also, and from here we know H and X is equal. So because H is equal to X, therefore X also 18.93. X is the distance between these two buildings. Question number 31. A pole of height 5 meter is fixed on the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of top of the pole as observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the point A from the top of tower is 45 degree. Find the height of tower. So according to this question, here BC is tower. The height of tower we have taken as H, and this AB is a pole. above this tower 5 meter long. From this point D, the angle of elevation is 60 degree, and if we see from here, the angle of depression for this point is 45 degree. So this is angle of depression, same here to here, this will be 45 degree angle of elevation, alternate angles. Now we have to find out the height of this tower BC, we have to find out. So let this distance is equal to x and BC is equal to h. We have here two right angle triangles. First we will take in triangle BCD. Tan 45 is equal to height by BC by base DC. Tan 45 value is 1, BC we have taken as x and DC is x. So we have x is equal to h. Now we will take another triangle in triangle ADC. Tan 60 is equal to height AC by base DC. Tan 60 value is √3. AC we can write 5 plus h and this is x. So we have √3x is equal to 5 plus h. In place of x we can replace h because x and h is equal. So we can write it √3h is equal to 5 plus h, or √3h minus h is equal to 5. Take h as common, √3 minus 1 is equal to 5. Substitute the value of √3. 1.732 minus 1 equal to 5. So h into 0.0732 equal to 5. So h will be 5 by 0.732. Remove decimal and divide it. Height of tower you will get 6.83 meter. Question number 32. A vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level ground. From the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot is 30 degree. Find the height of tower if the height of pole is 20 meter. Now according to this question, this AB is a pole 20 meter and CD is tower here. From the top of this pole, the angle of elevation for top is 60 degree and the angle of depression for the bottom is 30 degree. We have to find here the height of this pole, means CD we have to find out. From A to E we can draw a parallel line to BD. If suppose this BD is x, then this one AE also will be x. This AB is 20 meter. So opposite side ED also will be 20 meter. We have here two right angle triangle. First we will take this one in triangle ADE. Tan 30 is equal to height ED by base AE. Tan 30 value is 1 by √3. ED is 20. And AE we have to find out. AE we can write as x. So x is equal to 20 √3. Now we will take another triangle in triangle ACE. Tan 60 is equal to height by base. Height CE by base AE. Tan 60 value is √3. CE we can write as h and AE we have calculated 20 √3. So h is equal to √3 into 20 √3. √3 into √3 will become 3. So 20 into 3, 60 meter. This CE is 60 meter. So height of tower will be CE plus ED. 60 plus 20, 80 meter. Question number 33. From the top of a building 20 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of a monument is 45 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 15 degree. Find the height of monument. This AB is here a building 20 meter high, and this 3D is monument. From the top of this building, if you see the top of monument, 45-degree angle, and angle of depression for this bottom is 15 degree. We have to find out here the height of this monument CT. Draw a line parallel to BD, AE. This is 20, so opposite side ED also will be 20. And suppose this BD is X, so this one also will be X. Now we have here two right angle triangle. So first we will take in triangle ADE. 10-15 degree is equal to height by base AE. 10-15 value you have to check from the table. 0.2679. ED is 20 meter and AE we don't know, so keep X. So X is equal to 20 by 0.2679. Remove decimal and do the calculation. You will get 74.65. After this, now another triangle. In triangle ACE, 1045 is equal to CE by AE. 1045 value is 1. CE we don't know, we have to calculate. AE we have calculated 74.65. So CE is 74.65 meter. So height of monument will be CE plus ED. CE 74.65 and ED is 20, so it will be 94.65 meter. Question number 34. In the adjoining figure, the shadow of a vertical tower on the ground increased by 10 meter when the altitude of the sun changed from 45 degree to 30 degree. Find the height of tower and give your answer correct to 1 by 10 meter. Here altitude of the sun means the angle of elevation. So first this AB is tower here and the shadow of this AB is still here BC till C. After some time this shadow will increase to D 10 meter and the angle of elevation will become 30 degree here. Then we have to find out the height of AB, height of tower we have to find out. And our answer should be correct to 1 by 10 meter. 1 by 10 means we have to find our answer in 1 decimal place here. So two right angle triangles are there. First we will take in triangle ABC. 1045 is equal to height by base. Height is H here and base is X. The value of 1045 is 1. 1 is equal to H by X, or we can write H is equal to X. Now we will take another triangle. In triangle ABD, 1030 is equal to height by base. Base is here 10 plus X. The value of 1030 is 1 by root 3 H by 10 plus H. This X also we can replace because X and H is equal. So in place of X we can replace H. We have now 10 plus H is equal to root 3H, or 10 is equal to root 3H minus H. H we can take as common. Then root 3 minus 1 equal to 10. Substitute the value of root 3. 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 10, or 0.732 equal to 10. H is equal to 10 by 0.732. Divide it and calculate your answer up to 2 decimal place. And then round it off to 1 decimal place. So H is equal to 13.7 meter. After this first place, this second place of decimal is more than 5. So this 6 will become So 13.7 meter. Question number 35. An aircraft is flying at a constant height with a speed of 360 km per hour. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the aircraft at an instant was 45 degree. After 20 seconds, the angle of elevation will change to 30 degree. We have to find out the height at which the aircraft is flying here. So suppose first aircraft was at position A and after 20 seconds it will reach at C. For this first position, angle of elevation from this point is 45 degree and for the second position, angle of elevation is 30 degree. So first we have to find out how much distance it will cover in 20 seconds. So speed is given and time is given. This time you have to change into hour because here speed is in kilometer per hour. So distance is equal to speed into time. You will get 2 km, which you can convert into meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer will be 2000 meter. Now we have two right angle triangle. First in triangle ABD, tan 45 is equal to height by base. So height at which this aircraft is flying we have taken as h and base is BE. Value of tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to h by BE. We can write BE is equal to h. Now second triangle, in triangle CDE, tan 30 is equal to height by base. Base is here BE plus 2 km. We will write 2000 meter here. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 height by BE, also we can replace with h plus 2000. Shift this side, h plus 2000 is equal to root 3h. More we can simplify, we can write it root 3h minus h is equal to 2000. Substitute the value of root 3. First take h as common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 2000. 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 2000. 0.732. So h will be 2000 divided by 0.732. Remove decimal to the calculation. You will get it 2732 meter. Approximately value we can calculate here. So this chapter has completed today. In these type of questions, read question very carefully. After that, see whatever is given in question, according to that draw figure carefully and then you start your process. Hope you understood this exercise. If you have any other doubt, you can send me through comment box. Thank you for watching our video.